Electronic Drives and Controls, a nationwide recognized Rockwell Systems integrator, presents a real-life PLC5 to ControlLogix conversion, starring the conversion baseplate, the I/O conversion module, pre-wired cables, the cover plate, and your ControlLogix rack. Here's our old workhorse, the PLC5. We mark the I/O modules, remove the serial cables, the AC power, and the tie wraps. We remove the PLC5 I/O headers, letting them carefully drape below the PLC5 rack. The screws of the PLC5 rack are loosened, and a helper is called in to lift the rack off its mounts. We give the back panel a nice cleaning to prepare it for the conversion baseplate. The mounting screws are installed in the same holes as the PLC5 rack. Then the base plate and bottom screws. I/O conversion modules are snapped into the base plate. These 25 or 37 pin modules transition the PLC5 I/O wiring to ControlLogix using the PLC5 headers we draped below earlier. Rockwell's selection guide will help you determine these part numbers. Now we reinstall the PLC5 headers in the order as they were marked. The pre-wired cables are installed on the I/O conversion modules. We make sure all 12 cables are nice and snug. We have mounted the new PLC I/O modules in the A17 rack and then to the conversion cover plate. This hooks on the conversion base plate and then is secured with screws. The header ends of the pre-wired cables are snapped into the ControlLogix I/O modules. Then the rack's backplane power supply. Notice the missing ControlLogix terminal module. Since an exact I/O conversion from PLC5 to ControlLogix is not available, we simply wire the conductors to a 1756 terminal block on site and according to our wiring schematics. Now let's reconnect the AC power. Then the data highway communications for legacy components we'll replace later. Finally, the Ethernet connection is snapped in, and we are ready to start testing and troubleshooting our system in a fraction of the time had we not used this labor savings conversion kit. From PLC5 to ControlLogix in the same space and minimal rewiring. Of course, that was the easy part. Need help programming, troubleshooting, and starting up your new ControlLogix system? Give Electronic Drives and Controls, the nationwide PLC and drives integration specialist, a call or click. Thanks for watching.